What is going on today?
Today? Oh, well...
What a great day!
Did you notice any of these blocks there?
Well, now that you mention it... Hey, you're right! These blocks are out of control, and we need to stop them!
Don't make me twist you into a pretzel! Get rid of these blocks now!
I'm just trying to spruce the place up, adding my flair. They're not causing any problems.
Oh, phooey. Everyone, quick! Get out of here!
I'll take care of these. You guys get out of here.
Hey, preventing death is our job.
Save yourselves!
Yucky barf makes me want to vomit. Thanks for doing it for me, Rocky.
Yuck. Sorry.
Here's a new Zapper ATD. Please be more
Ooh,
careful with this one.
a zappy!
No! Not my cheesecake! Not my cheesecake!